A lot of cloud array, but it is essentially a dry story. Now that cloud has been blowing in from the near continent, pushed along by an easterly wind, and that process really continues overnight tonight. That cloud will always be thick enough across some eastern counties of England to bring just a few spots of light rain and drizzle, really won't amount to much. That cloud also acts as a bit of a blanket, stopping those temperatures across England and Wales falling away too far, 7, 8, 9 degrees, while across Scotland and Northern Ireland, with the clearer skies, we are going to see temperatures tipping away down to around about 1 degree in Glasgow city centre, lower than that in rural spots, so quite frosty across Scotland, Northern Ireland. Not just frosty, but we're also going to see some mist and some fog developing. Northern Scotland, though, starts today dry and bright. Here's the fog. It's through central and southern parts of Scotland. Quite a grey old start to the day here. That fog shifting mid to late morning. A brighter start, though, for Cumbria. However, across most of England, it's a grey start to the day. A lot of cloud around. That cloud still producing just the odd spot of drizzle for some eastern counties of England, maybe along the south coast as well. But as you head down towards the southern tip of Cornwall, well, here we should be poking out at something just a little bit brighter. The western extremities of Wales, too, just a little bit brighter, but most of Wales gets off to a rather cloudy but dry start to the day. Dry, too, for Northern Ireland, but here we've got some fog around, so a bit grey. But away from the mist and the fog, it'll be dry and bright. And that mist and fog in Northern Ireland shouldn't last too long. It should be a reasonable day here with some sunny spells. And once that mist and fog clears away from southern Scotland, late morning onwards, decent spells of sunshine. Across most of England and Wales, we'll hang on to a lot of cloud into the afternoon. Still thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle for some eastern counties. A better chance of seeing a few holes in that cloud further south and west. But nowhere particularly warm, 11 or 12 degrees at best. Maybe a little bit less cold on Friday for England and Wales, and a better chance of seeing a few holes in that cloud. So some sunny spells here, but a real change for Scotland and Northern Ireland, turning wet and windy. Gales around the coast of western Scotland. That wet, windy weather spreads south on Saturday. More rain follows hot on its heels. It's the southeast of England where it should stay driest for longest, but the rain will arrive late in the day on Saturday.